You and me, hanging from the willow tree, quietly drift.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'll be doing this Valentine's Day makeup tutorial using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy palette. So yeah, starting off I'll be using the color Samsa and going to start applying it on my crease. So as you can see, I'm drawing the line and I have tape on my eyes, so it gives me really precise look. So the next color I'm taking is this 1988. It's dark brown color, and going to take this Morphe M433 brush and going to diffuse the color with the Samsa color, and taking a blending brush to diffuse the crease. So as you can see, I'm taking some concealer with the e.l.f. concealer brush and going to cut my crease with it. As you can see, I'm following the line of my crease and also following the tape, so it gives me a precise look, and also taking the pencil brush to define the crease more. And going to take the color Cupcake and going to apply it on the middle part of my lid. So the next color will be this eyeshadow called Barb. It's a pretty pink color. It's my favorite shade from this palette. So yeah, I'm applying this on the outer crease and inner part of the lid. And taking this pressed pigment from Colourpop Cosmetics called Indio and going to apply it on the outer V of my crease and also on the inner corners of my eyes. And yeah, the next step will be this lashes from Blaq.label. It's the style in Finesse, and yeah, I'm using my fingers to apply these lashes. These are my favorite style from them. And the next step will be my face. So I'm taking this ABH luminous foundation in 355N and using this concealer also from Huda Beauty. It's overachiever concealer in toasted almond. It's a very full coverage concealer, so yeah. So the next step will be translucent powder. It's from ABH, so yeah, I'm applying it on my under eyes and on the highest points of my face. The next step will be this blush from Laura Geller. It's their blush in tropical hue, and yeah, I'm using the highlighter from ABH, also Amrezy highlighter. So yeah, I'm applying this on my highest points of the face, cheekbones, nose and stuff, and blending it out using this foundation brush so there's no white streak. And yeah, the last step will be this liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors called My Main. So yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.